Making headlines this week, a long period comet not seen since the Neanderthals walked the planet.
In the skies this month, a comet not seen for 50,000 years.
Tonight, the brightest comet in decades makes a...
Now's the time to look for Comet C 2022 E3 ZTF as it puts on a show.
Keep your eyes peeled for the Green Comet.
A comet not seen since early Homo sapiens roamed the Earth is making its way.
"2023 started off with a lot of media frenzy about a newly rediscovered comet. The media dubbed it the Green Comet, due to its characteristic green coma. We amateur astrophotographers have been waiting for its arrival for months, and when it did appear, it did not disappoint. All the media hype, however, left many disappointed. I expect some thought they would see another Hale-Bopp or Neowise. Sadly for many, ZTF was a no-show as it blitzed through the solar system. It was simply not bright enough to break through the light pollution of our modern world. Hell, even I couldn't pick it out from the dark sky site I shoot from unaided. In the end, only my telescopes, the veteran star-hopping visual astronomers, and one extremely patient astrophotographer friend of mine had a chance of finding it unaided. Once found, it was glorious. Sadly, as you'll see coming up, shooting a comet is a very different animal than shooting deep sky objects. When the Green Comet passed close to Mars, I joined my astronomy group out at the astronomy park to help show people the spectacle as seen through my camera. There were some brave enough to bear the cold, but shockingly, it wasn't many. My shot was ruined by poor focus on my part, but I was able to salvage something from the wreckage. Over the next few weeks, I and a few others braved the freezing cold weather from a dark sky location, trying to catch a glimpse of this constantly changing comet. Oddly enough, the night of the snow moon, I got the best result. It was really cold that night, and even the small fire we had couldn't make a dent. We spent most of the night in my trailer, where it was marginally warmer. Every trip out to check gear was brutal, but in the end, it was worth it. At the same time, I was able to shoot a tracked time-lapse showing the movement of the comet relative to the stars. It was impressive to see just how fast it moved. The next time out, I went super early because I was bringing my Edge 11 out. I hadn't used this scope in over a year because of some issues, but I wanted to give it another shot. I needed daylight to set it up and make sure I had the proper back focus. Setting up two scopes does take time, so I sped up the process for you a little bit. This setup is a beast, weighing in at 120 pounds. This was the night the comet would be the closest to Earth. Little did I know that it would be a packed house. As Orion set on the horizon, most everybody packed up and went home, leaving me in the quiet cold to move on to other targets that I wanted to spend time on before they moved on with the seasons. There's another comet predicted for 2024 that might even be bigger news if it survives the solar transit. So, add that to the big solar eclipse in the fall, there could be a great year in 2024. I hope you enjoyed this little look behind the scenes. Thanks for watching, and keep your head in the clouds.